January might be cold, but it's the perfect time to prepare for an incredible garden year. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, sowing the right seeds now will give you a head start on a bountiful harvest. Stick around as I guide you through the best seeds to sow in January and how to get them started. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you the must-sow seeds for January. These plants thrive when you start early, and I'll also share tips for beginners to make this process simple and fun. Starting seeds in January gives your plants a longer growing season. By the time spring rolls around, you'll have strong seedlings ready to go into your garden or containers. Plus, this month is ideal for cool season crops and hardy plants that thrive in cooler temperatures. Let's dive into the seeds you need to sow right now. I've divided them into two categories, vegetables and flowers. Start tomato seeds indoors. Choose early varieties for quicker harvests and use seed trays with good drainage. Peppers take time to grow, so January is perfect for sowing them indoors under grow lights. Sow onion seeds or sets for a dependable crop. They love the cool weather and are easy for beginners. These leafy greens can be started indoors or directly outdoors if your climate isn't too harsh. If you have a cold frame or greenhouse, sow carrots for an early harvest. These fragrant blooms are easy to start in January for a colorful display come spring. Snapdragons love cooler weather, and starting them now ensures early blooms. Perfect for adding color to your garden when little else is flowering. Now that you know what to sow, let's talk about how to do it. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Use seed trays or small pots with drainage holes. A lightweight mix helps seeds germinate faster. Read the packet instructions for proper depth. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Use a heat mat or sunny windowsill to ensure consistent warmth. Here are some quick tips to ensure your seeds thrive. Label your trays to avoid confusion. Check soil moisture daily. Transplant seedlings once they have their second set of leaves. That's it, folks. By sowing these seeds in January, you'll be ahead of the gardening game and ready for a productive season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!